As the national death toll surpasses 150,000, this morning 21 states are now in the so-called red zone for their rapid rate of transmission, according to a federal report first obtained by the New York Times. And now, as President Trump urges more states to reopen, top officials on the White House Coronavirus Task Force are now urging some statewide mask mandates. In audio obtained by the Daily Beast, Dr. Deborah Birx told governors, by the time you see hospitalizations, your community spread is so wide that you flipped into a red state incredibly quickly. NBC News has not verified the audio and has reached out to the White House for comment. Doctors on the front line say the fight against COVID is being undermined by Americans who refuse to wear masks and ignore social distancing.
You see that all these deaths are preventable. They're preventable. And people just don't pay attention. And that's extremely frustrating.
It comes amid new concerns over children going back to school. Dr. Anthony Fauci giving this answer when asked what teachers need to do to return safely during a Q&A with teacher union leaders overnight.
The minimal would be the mask, eye shield if you can have it, and possibly gloves. But washing your hands frequently, having Purell there if you don't have a sink nearby, is as good as wearing gloves.
That advice coming as the country's second largest teachers union says it will support its 1.7 million members if they choose to strike in districts that reopen without adequate health and safety measures.
Do I want to get back into school? Absolutely. But we need to be able to do that in a safe environment.
This morning, the new reality of living in a pandemic where some say life and death decisions are made every day.
And Miguel, Dr. Fauci spoke about how he himself tries to stay safe, talking about his family. So what's his advice?
Well, Dr. Fauci gave several points to the Washington Post, saying his family follows some strict rules. No more than 2 guests, he says, are allowed in his home. Everyone wears masks unless they're eating food. Never share food or containers, and always stay outside at least 6 feet apart. Hoda?
All right, Miguel, Almaguer in L.A. Miguel, thank you.